Today I'm going to be unboxing a bunch of these Pokemons. We've got a Pokemon Collector Celebrations, Sylveon, Dark type. Well, technically it's not Dark type. And I've got a bunch of Evolving Skies. They're my favourite packs because they've got the Eevee evolutions. As you can see, I'm absolutely loving the Glaceon. And I'm going to be showing you my binder. I'm Cassie and I'm going to be opening these Pokemon. So here we have the first packet. It's got a Espeon on the front. My goal is to collect all of these in Evolving Skies, but I don't think that will happen. So here's the code card, by the way. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see these two rares. So yeah, we've got Hippopotamus, Drill, Zora. Not sure what that one is. Ruffet, Psyduck, Energy, Rescue Carrier, Crystal Cave, Orin, okay, Fifu, Shiny, and we got a V off the bat. That's an Ice type, I'm pretty sure. Glaceon can hold on to her. Him, her. I don't have any slips, so can't put it in the slip. Next packet. We'll be opening the box very shortly at the end, and then I'll show you all the Pokemon cards I have. Another Espeon. I hope this one has some good stuff. Here's the code card. Go get yourself some stuff from it. And whoop. By the way, guys, you can see the rares. My sister's behind you. Eevee, that's cute. I love Eevee. Typole, Cutiefly, Appletoon, Sapphire A, Energy, Perora, Scroll of the Faint Dragon. I actually have the shiny. I'll show you that in the book. Auroran, that one, and oh, we got a Rainbow Rare, the first Rainbow Rare. I've got the normal one of that guy. And shiny. That's really cool.
What's the value of your Rainbow Rare, Cass?
I'm not sure. I'm thinking 100 or something. I don't know. This is, I've never seen this actually. That's pretty cool. That's a good, you can stay with.
Should we move on to the next one?
Yes, let's move on. We got Sylveon. Sylveon box and Sylveon packet. Sylveon. Rip. I've got a lot of dirt on this.
Be careful, Cass. You might rip your Pokemon cards.
No, I won't. Okay. We've got I've got this Pokemon. It's a Rapid Strike. It's really cool. Okay, we've got a single strike right off the bat. Here's the code card. Check that there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Okay, you can see the rare one.
I see it.
Hypno, Fletching, Technical, oh, Pikachu, oh, I've done this wrong. Let's go to fine. I'm going to check that there. The rare, Turn, that one, I'm not sure how to pronounce it, Veronichan or something. Oh, we've got another V, Suicidian and Energy. Look at that. We've got 3 off the bat. That's that's so good. Okay. Next one, oh, I'm not sure what this is called, but it's really rare. See, that's there. You can get a little look at these 3 cards. So far we've got 3 good cards. That's actually really cool. We've got 2 water types. Is that right? Yeah, 2 water types and 1 trainer. Let me check. And right there, out the front of Glaceon. Maybe Glaceon's giving us good luck. Okay. code card. I don't think our good luck would last. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's not mess this one up. You can see the rare. I'm pretty sure. Rondina, I'm not sure how to pronounce that. Flubby, Swaboo, Litino, I'm not sure how to pronounce it. Energy, Toy Catcher. Oh, that's the normal of that one. For a comparison, those two. Sorry, walking one. Okay, Runhorn, I'm not sure how to say that. And, oh, that's so cute. Look how cute that is. It's a little dragon. And Tombo for the rare. Okay, we've got one more normal pack, and then we're going to open this big evolve.
Hopefully this one's good.
Yes, I'm really hoping that you get a really good one. I've got 3, Mum. Oh, it's Sylveon. Sylveon powers activate. No, don't activate it. My mum's laughing. Okay. Oh, we've got that one first off the bat. Let's show you the code card. Sorry. There you go. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Now you can see the rare card. I can't. Kavaran, Emily, MLG, something. Slapstone. Let me show you them. That one. Lick Skin, something. Energy. Shogun. Lone Pin. Full Face Guard. Snowleaf Bagging. That ate it up.
We might finish that draw.
What?
You want to finish this video and do another one?
Yeah. Okay, guys, please come back for part 2. So far we have 3 cards.
Just give them
You'll
a
see.
close look at those.
Those are the 3 Vs. So this is the first V. The second, oh, no, that was trainer. The second V. Third. Okay. Now, come back for part 2 so then you can see me open it out and you will be able to see what's inside my binder.